Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some iPhone 11 Pro Max cases that I got sent. So I want to share that with you guys. If you guys are still interested, keep on watching. So I just wanted to show you guys what my phone case looks like right now. So this is just like a galaxy color scheme, I guess. Glitter, and I just got this pop socket because I have those Vans, the checkered Vans, so one of my favorites. This is the first case. I really like it because it is black, and black goes with everything. What I really like about it is that there is a compartment wallet, which is really great because there are times where I go out and I'm just fitting my ID and my card in the back of my phone case, and I'm always scared that it can just fall out at any time. This is very handy. This is what it looks like on the phone, and you can put your stuff in there. Like I said, I really like it. It's very big, I guess. So I guess putting it in your pocket would kind of be a struggle. So again, you just hook it onto this little hole right there. So like this, and then you can just carry it like a little wallet clutch. So I really like this one. I love the design of it also. So for the next one is a little different design. So this is what it looks like. It also has a different print on it. I don't know what it's called. It's still nice. And then this one opens up, and then you can just put the cards in here or some cash, change, whatever. I like this one and how the compartments look different. This one also has the two little holes that can clip on. One is actually a longer one, so you can kind of use it like as a purse, I guess. So it is very much longer than the other one. This is what the phone looks like with this one on, so it is much longer.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Try tapping above to edit.
But anyways, so yeah, it can be used as a purse, I guess. So this is the third one, and this is a lavender purple color. I never really have anything purple, lavender. No, it's just like, I don't know why it just doesn't mix with me. I don't know, but I got this one just because I wanted something different, so I went for the purple one. I actually really like it. It's really pretty. And then this is the same one kind of as the first one with the studs. It has the same compartments, and then it has the little hand strap. And then this is what it looks like with the phone on it. Very cute. And this is the last one. It is a dark green forest color. I really like this just because I love green, and my phone's actually a dark green as well. So I feel like this just matches. I like the studs on it. It's kind of like the first one. Same thing with the wallet. It has the strap, right? But it also has the long strap for like the purse kind of vibe. But I think I like just the arm strap, just because I don't know, it feels weird to have like a long thing for your phone. Personally, that's just me. I could feel like I have a purse with me, so then I feel like I would have just brought my purse with me. So I really like the little wrist strap. And then last but not least, this is what it looks like with this case, and I really like it. As you can tell, this is the green color, so it matches. So that is the end of my video. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been very busy with work. I'm gonna try to make time for videos again because that was my little happiness side thing. So I really want to get back into this. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.